Good morning students. Today we will discuss the topic multiplier. Okay. In previous videos we talk about the aggregate demand, aggregate supply. Okay, and we also talk equilibrium output of equilibrium output. Okay, where AD and AS is equal to each other. That we discuss AD and AS approach. Then we study about S and I approach, saving and investment approach. Okay, so now we will talk about the multiplier. So multiplier is basically used in mathematics. So the concept of multiplier was given by R.F. Khan. Okay, concept of multiplier was given by R.F. Khan. Okay, mathematician. Basically R.F. Khan was a mathematician. So multiplier is a mathematical concept, but it is used in economics. As in economics, there are many things that we measure multiplier. We use multiplier to measure, like we want to know that how much change in income due to change in investment. So we can know by multiplier. So what is multiplier? Multiplier means, multiplier का मतलब होता है change in income. Okay, Y means income. Y means change in income due to change in investment. Okay, due to change in investment. इन्वेस्टमेंट में चेंज होने से हमारे इनकम में कितना चेंज आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मल्टीप्लायर. ओके, change in income due to change in investment. How many times there is change in income due to change in investment, that tells us multiplier. Okay, so there is a formula that is used to measure the multiplier. Okay, so what is the formula? Formula as we use K to denote multiplier. Okay, so K means multiplier. Okay, K equal to change in Y. Change in Y means change in income upon change in I, change in investment. So multiplier, or we can say K equal to change in Y, change in income, and change in I means change in investment. So this is the formula that is used to calculate the multiplier. Okay, so how we calculate? For example, there is change in investment of 50 crore. ओके, जो हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो पहले 5 था, 15 करोड़ हो गया. ओके, एंड चेंज इन इनकम इज 60 करोड़. So how much change is there? We can calculate by the formula. Change in Y is 60 and change in I is 15. So K is equal to 4. Okay, so 4 is our multiplier. Okay, 4 is multiplier. It means there is change in income. Okay, कि इनकम में चेंज हो रहा है कितना, 4 गुना ज्यादा ड्यू टू चेंज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट. कि जितना हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट चेंज हुआ उसके 4 गुना ज्यादा इनकम चेंज हो रही है. ओके, सो इन्वेस्ट मल्टीप्लायर टेल अस चेंज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड ड्यू टू दैट देयर इज चेंज इन इनकम. कि इन्वेस्टमेंट में चेंज होने से हमारे इनकम में कितना चेंज आता है, दैट इज मल्टीप्लायर. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायग्राम इफेक्ट ऑफ मल्टीप्लायर. ओके, हाउ मल्टीप्लायर इफेक्ट. ओके, so this is our O axis and OY axis. Here we will take GDP output, or we can say income. Okay, and here we will take aggregate demand. We will show aggregate demand. This is our Y income line. Okay, as income start from 0, when income is 0, then also there is some consumption. So our consumption line, or we can say AD start from here. This is our C plus I AD aggregate demand. Okay, so this is short run equilibrium output, we can say equilibrium point. Now there is change in investment. So what will be the effect on equilibrium? कि इन्वेस्टमेंट में चेंज होने से जो हमारा इक्विलिब्रियम है उस पर क्या इफेक्ट रहेगा. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑन इक्विलिब्रियम ड्यू टू चेंज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट? सो द CI shift from here to here. Okay, it become like this, C plus I plus change in I. Why this change in I? Because this is चेंज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट. ये हमारे इन्वेस्टमेंट में चेंज हो रहा है. ठीक है, सो हमारा CI जो AD है वो करंट शिफ्ट हो गया. ओके, सो इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट में चेंज हुआ है. फर्स्टली वी कैन से OK इज आवर इक्विलिब्रियम आउटपुट. ओके, एंड व्हेन AD shift from 80 to 81, then it become OJ. Okay, now it is OJ. Our equilibrium point is now this. So equilibrium OJ is our equilibrium output. So you can see here that change in investment is less compared to change in income. This is our change in income. Change in income due to change in investment. This is change in investment. Okay, investment में change होने से हमारी जो income में change है that is more. It means due to change in investment there is more change in income. Okay, means investment में जब change होता है तो जो हमारी income है वो कई गुना ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. So this is because of multiplier effect. Okay, because of multiplier effect there is more change in income due to change in investment. So you can see in the diagram, E is our initial equilibrium point, and when there is change in investment then it shifts from E to E1. Okay, so change in income is more compared to change in investment. So this is about the effect of multiplier. Now we will talk the relationship between MPC and multiplier. As multiplier we have discussed what is multiplier. It is the change in income due to change in investment. कि इन्वेस्टमेंट में चेंज होने से हमारे इनकम में कितना चेंज होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मल्टीप्लायर. ओके, कितने गुना चेंज हुआ है इनकम में, दैट इज मल्टीप्लायर. सो व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन MPC? MPC मीन्स marginal propensity to consume. Okay, marginal propensity to consume. So that this we have discussed in the previous chapter, aggregate demand chapter. So marginal propensity to consume means the rate of consumption, कि लोगों की consumption की क्या रेट है, कितना कंज्यूम करते हैं वो. कंज्यूम मीन्स अपने इनकम का कितना पार्ट स्पेंड करते हैं ऑन द परचेज ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. ओके, सो देयर इज direct relation between MPC and multiplier. Okay, higher the MPC, higher multiplier. How? MPC means it is the rate of consumption. It means जितना लोग कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं उतना ही जो प्रोड्यूसर है उनकी इनकम बढ़ रही है तो मीन्स उनको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है एंड दे विल इन्वेस्ट मोर. सो मोर इन्वेस्टमेंट मीन्स देयर इज मोर चेंज इन इनकम, मीन्स इनकम भी बढ़ेगी. ओके, सो मल्टीप्लायर एंड MPC हैव अ डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप. देयर इज पॉजिटिव रिलेशन. Increase in MPC, increase in multiplier. Okay, so there is a formula by which we can calculate multiplier with reference to MPC. Okay, so what is the formula? 1 upon 1 minus MPC. This is the formula of calculating multiplier by using MPC, marginal propensity to consume. For example, MPC हमें दी हुई है 0.5. हमें मल्टीप्लायर जानना है कि मल्टीप्लायर क्या है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, 1 upon 1 minus 0.5. So it is 1 0.5. Okay, so it will be 2. सो k इज इक्वल टू 2, जो हमारा मल्टीप्लायर है वो क्या हो जाएगा 2 हो जाएगा। नाउ सपोज MPC इज 0.8, MPC हमें 0.8 दी हुई है, तो क्या हो जाएगा, सेम फॉर्मूला विल बी यूज 1 माइनस MPC, तो 1 अपॉन 1 माइनस 0.8, so it is 1 upon 0.2, so it is 5. It means higher the MPC, when MPC is 0.5, then multiplier is 2. When MPC increase 0.8, then multiplier is 5. It means there is the direct relation between multiplier and MPC. Higher multiplier, higher MPC, higher multiplier. Lower MPC, lower multiplier. Okay. So in the next video we will talk about the mechanism of multiplier. So watch the video and also practice the formula, numericals in your notebook. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.